before university. Indeed, friends, this is a moment for us to reflect on the progress we have made in our academic journey.
And yes, Sir Ash, this is the moment for us to look back on our adventures as learners. And of course, the word contributors of knowledge to our specific field. This is GAWAD BUEño 2025 with the theme Life Champions and Future-Ready Scholars of the 21st Century.
A celebration of excellence, dedication, and unparalleled achievement.
Of course, this afternoon, let's not forget to say hello to our dear viewers on our Facebook page and all the individuals who are right here at the Bicol University College of Engineering Gymnasium.
And today, of course, is a momentous occasion as we gather to honor the brightest stars of Bicol University. Our outstanding students and awardees have demonstrated exemplary performance, setting a high standard for future generations. Additionally, we have faculty and many others that we must recognize as they have shown the greatest.
We are here to recognize not only their academic achievements, but of course, their unwavering commitment to service, leadership, and innovation. Kaya palakpakan natin ang ating mga sarili for this another milestone.
And of course, yes, ma'am, let's not forget to introduce ourselves. I am Andrea Ashley Aranya, and I am joined by
Presa Capsule Blois.
and we are your Master and Lady of Ceremonies.
Without further ado, let us begin our program with the processional. Please rise as we welcome our CSASC and VU officials. Let us welcome our College Student Affairs and Services Coordinators.
Approaching the acting dean of OSAS, Professor Jeslyn Imperial.
Now we welcome our acting board secretary, Professor James L. Ponga, who is holding the university base.
Along with him is the Bicol University President, Dr. Babyboy Benjamin D. Neves III, together with our esteemed guest speaker, Sidney Joseph L. Torrenueva.
You may now be seated. To formally begin the ceremony, let us invite the President of Bicol University, Dr. Babyboy Benjamin D. Neves III, to deliver a message.
Thank you very much. To the Board of Regents Chairperson, Dr. Ethel Agnes Pasco Valenzuela, to the other members of the Board of Regents, Deans and Directors, College Student Affairs and Services Coordinators, our guest speaker, who will be introduced later, esteemed faculty, our dedicated students, awardees and honorees, proud parents and guardians, other honored guests and friends, sarong maimbong na hapon po sa Indogabos. It is with immense pride, joy, and gratitude that I welcome you all to our annual university recognition ceremonies, the 2025 GAWAD BUEño, a day set aside to celebrate not just academic achievements, but the determination, creativity, and resilience that define the spirit of our university. It is an honor to gather here and celebrate not only excellence, but embodying the essence of our team, life champions and future-ready scholars of the 21st century. Today, we shine a well-deserved spotlight on BUeños who have excelled, whether in the classroom, in research, in leadership, in service, or in the culture and the arts. These accolades are not merely symbols of excellence. They represent countless hours of dedication, the courage to face challenge, and the unyielding pursuit of personal and collective growth. To our dear students, this day belongs to you. You are the reason why we gather in celebration. You've proven that passion and persistence led to greatness. Your achievements inspire us all to dream bigger, work harder, and support each other more fiercely. To our dear professors, mentors, and other staff, and your families, your unwavering guidance, encouragement, and belief in our students have been the foundation of their success. On behalf of Bicol University, thank you for continuously being our partners in education. Our honorees have faced an ever-evolving world full of complexity and challenge, and risen above with courage and adaptability. You balance coursework with real-world problems. You master both critical thinking and compassion. You are not just students, you are change makers in the making. To you, our dear BUEños, future-ready scholars, you are primed to shape the 21st century, not merely to succeed, but to lead it with bold ideas, responsible innovation, and commitment to the greater good. To our faculty, staff, and families, thank you for lighting their path. Your mentorship, patience, belief in these students have helped raise the leaders of tomorrow. Let this ceremony not just celebrate achievements, but ignite the fire for even greater ones ahead. May this day remind us all the future doesn't just happen. We build it, scholar by scholar, one dream at a time. Welcome and congratulations to our champions of life and the future. May today serve not just a recognition of past accomplishment, but as a launching pad for even greater things ahead. Let this moment remind us that excellence is not a destination, but it is a journey, and we are privileged to walk it together. Padagos lang po, mga kapwa ko BUEños, Diyos ang magbala sa gabos.
Thank you very much, Dr. Nebres, for the insightful message. At this juncture, we will be proceeding with the awarding of pins and certificates to the College Student Affairs and Services Coordinators.
To present the awards for this segment, we have, of course, our University President, Dr. Babyboy Benjamin D. Nebres III. Also, our Acting Board Secretary, Professor Daves L. Tonga. Our Acting Dean of the Office of the Students' Affairs and Services, Professor Jocelyn T. Imperial. They will be assisted by Ma'am Rosario Chatofrig and Dr. Salvacion Villafuerte.
To start with the Presidential Citation Award in terms of service, this will be awarded to Professor Maria Nenita A. Opeña from the BU Ginobatan.
We also have Professor Arlie G. Fresnido from College of Industrial Technology.
Professor Geneva M. Liagas from the College of Business, Economics, and Management.
Engineer Gian Benedict V. Rontas from College of Engineering.
Professor Noel S. Armenia from the College of Arts and Letters.
Professor Gaspar R. Santos from College of Nursing.
Professor Tanya L. Año from the Architect Mary Grace R. Dalinog from the Institute of Design and Architecture.
Professor Robert P. Madrazo from Institute of Physical Education, Sports, and Recreation.
Professor Maria Rachel L. Laurinaria from the Jesse M. Robredo Institute of Governance and Development.
Engineer Ben L. Sameniano from Bicol University, Pulangi.
Dr. Glenda A. Abuela from Bicol University, Tabaco.
We also have Professor Glyza Joyce A. Elvira from the College of Dental Medicine.
Professor Mark H. Daen from Bicol University College of Science. He will also be receiving the award for Best Performing College Student Affairs and Services Coordinator.
We also have Professor Christine Annie Laguarza from Bicol University, Guban. She will also receive the Best Performing College Student Affairs and Services Coordinator for academic year 2024 to 2025.
Congratulations and thank you very much for helping the Bicol University community. And thank you as well, sir, for being with us this afternoon. As you continue, ma'am.
As we continue to be inspired by our awardees, we now turn our attention to our esteemed guest speaker. And to introduce our keynote speaker this afternoon, we would like to welcome Professor Jocelyn T. Imperial, the Acting Dean of the Bicol University Office of the Students' Affairs and Services.
Thank you, Ma'am Preza and Sir Ashley. I would like to introduce our guest of honor. A pleasant afternoon to everyone and to our awardees. In the quiet town of Daet, where narratives of perseverance are woven into everyday, emerged a young individual whose ideals, intellect, and integrity would later distinguish him as one of Bicol's most promising youth leaders. It is with great pride that we welcome him today, our guest of honor, Mr. Sidney Joseph L. Torrenueva. A proud member of the LGBTQIA+ community, Mr. Torrenueva grew up with a voice that many attempted to silence. Yet, instead of diminishing, his voice found direction and power, grounded in purpose and the pursuit of service. From his formative years at Daet Elementary School, where he first discovered his passion for leadership and public service, he has since grown into a national voice for youth empowerment and excellence. His journey in Bicol University began as a member of the pioneer batch of BUCEILS Senior High School under the Humanities and Social Sciences strand. Even at that early stage, Mr. Torrenueva already exhibited exceptional promise, graduating with highest honors and earning distinctions in both communication arts and the social sciences. Beyond academic accolades, he excelled in public speaking, debate, and sports, always leveraging these opportunities to serve and inspire. As a student of political science at the College of Social Sciences and Philosophy, Mr. Torrenueva's dedication remains steadfast. He graduated magna cum laude and was conferred the highest honor as most outstanding graduate of Bicol University in 2022. From his first year, he actively took part in student governance and service, serving as the president of the BOCSSP Red Cross Youth, a junior counselor in the College Student Council, and an officer in various university-wide organizations, eventually becoming a member of the BU Legislative Council. He maintained consistent academic excellence, earning the distinction of President's Lister and BUCSSP's Most Outstanding Student for 3 consecutive years. By his sophomore year, he held even more significant positions, including the Director for Social Sciences at the BU UNESCO Club, Vice President for Internal Affairs of BU Magenta, and Vice President of the University Red Cross Youth Council, and he was also inducted as the 10th Chancellor of the prestigious BU Order of the Blue Feather Society, the university's official honor society. When the COVID-19 pandemic disrupted many avenues for growth, Mr. Torrenueva rose to the challenge. He represented the university in the national and international virtual competitions, and under his leadership, the Blue Feather Society was awarded the most outstanding university-based organization in 2021. His continued excellence was further recognized when he was named as the most outstanding university student of Bicol University and one of the 10 outstanding scholars of the Philippines in the same year. In his final year, he focused on legacy building. He led the transformation and rebranding of the BO UNESCO Club, which gained national acclaim as the Philippines' most outstanding UNESCO Club in social and human sciences, as well as the overall most outstanding UNESCO Club of 2022, a first in its more than a decade-long history, and he likewise served as pro tempore of the BU General Legislative Council and immediate past Chancellor of the Blue Feather Society. These culminating achievements earned him further distinction as the most outstanding university graduate in service and third placer in the search for the 10 outstanding student leaders of the Philippines 2022, chosen from among 125 of the country's most exceptional youth leaders. Mr. Torrenueva's commitment to public service did not end at commencement. At present, he serves as a presidential staff officer at the National Youth Commission, where he is at the forefront of national efforts in youth policy development, capacity building for sangguniang kabataan leaders, and empowerment of youth organizations across the country. This year, he takes yet another significant step as he begins his Master of Community Development at the University of the Philippines, Diliman. His journey is a testament to what is possible when brilliance is nurtured by purpose and when a university not only educates minds, but empowers leaders. Our honored guests, colleagues, members of the diverse community we represent, it is my distinct honor to present to you our guest of honor. Tingin po tayo sa likod, Mr. Sidney Joseph L. Torrenueva.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Yeah, to our students, again, good afternoon. To the SUC President 4, my tatay, my mentor, my angel, Dr. Benji Nebres. The Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Maria Julieta B. Bores, represented by Professor January M. De Chavez. And to all our dedicated Vice Presidents. Also to my former advisor and now acting Dean of the Office of Student Affairs and Services, Professor Jazlyn T. Imperial. To all the college deans, college student affairs coordinators, campus directors, esteemed faculty members, parents, fellow youth leaders, and most especially to all the awardees. Marhay na aldaw po sa Indogabos. I stand here today not only as your guest of honor, but as a fellow student, molded by the same halls, the same struggles, and the same hopes that you all carry today. The GAWAD BUEño 2025 is not just a celebration. It's not just a celebration of your achievement, of your medals, but it is a deeper call to action. Just like our theme today, life champions and future-ready scholars of the 21st century. Let me begin by asking, pakitanong ang mga sarili natin, pakitanong ang mga katabi natin, who is a champion? Pakitanong mga katabi natin, who is a champion? Are you a champion? Am I a life champion? Are you a life champion? Are you a life champion? All right. Because for me, a life champion is not someone who merely collects medals or earns top marks. A life champion is someone who chooses to rise even after failing. Someone who learns how to redirect, not retreat, especially when plans change or life becomes uncertain. Your direction or redirection matters more than your position. But every redirection sa buhay ko po pointed me towards something even greater. When I didn't qualify for things I wanted, I created my own opportunities. When I was told, hey, no, I asked, why not me? I redirected rejection into rededication. Simula po elementary po ako, honor student na rin naman po ako. Pero lagi po ako nag-a-apply sa pagiging outstanding student, outstanding graduate. Simula from elementary, second place. Nung junior high school, second place din. Nung senior high school, another second placer. Parang first runner-up ka ng few words back or Samantha Bernardo ang peg natin. Pero pagdating sa college, I believed I was redirected for something greater. That's why 3 times po tayo outstanding college students sa BUC-SSP at naging outstanding university student before being outstanding university graduate. So to those po na nandito sa ating lahat, mga students, mga awardees, even those na nanonood po sa live stream, for you who are still waiting for your moment, keep showing up. You are not behind. You are just being rerouted to your unique purpose. Now, kaway-kaway po sa mga awardees natin. Pakitaas naman ng kamay. Kaway-kaway naman po tayo dyan. Wala ba kayong energy? Isang A naman dyan. Ayan. Sige, kaway-kaway naman yung mga kamay natin. Because I want you to remember that excellence is not a one-time event. It is a lifestyle. The key to long-term excellence lies in consistency. The quiet, often unseen discipline of showing up. To tell you frankly, hindi po ako yung pinakamatalino sa room namin. Hindi rin po ako ang pinakamasipag sa classroom namin. Kala po ninyo dahil lagi akong rank 1 or outstanding student. But I believe I am and I was the most consistent. I had a vision for myself, but I was also having my doubts, but at the same time, I was strengthened by my aspirations. Nagsipag ako. Kagaya ninyo, ginalingan ko rin. Inilaban ko lagi-lagi. For sure, we have different struggles in life, we have different struggles academically. Pero nandito kayo ngayon dahil ginagalingan ninyo palagi. I gave the same efforts. I gave the same heart. Consistency is what led me here in front of you. I led several organizations, served communities, and worked on my dreams. Not just kung gusto ko lang, but even when it was hard and difficult. That discipline led me eventually to achieve greater heights as magna cum laude, the most outstanding graduate, and wow, one of the 10 outstanding student leaders of the Philippines in 2022. And eventually led me to my passion to becoming a youth development worker as Presidential Staff Officer at the Office of the President at the National Youth Commission. So pakitanong again ng mga sarili natin at ang mga katabi natin, can I be excellent on ordinary days? Can I manifest excellence even when no one is looking or even when everybody is looking? Can I manifest excellence nang mag-isa lang ako, nang hindi ginigrade ng teacher, na hindi tinitingnan ng mga professors or ng guidance counselor? Ask yourselves, pakitanong ang mga sarili natin. Pakitanong din yung mga katabi ninyo. Can I be excellent even on ordinary days? Because ako po, hindi lang po ako excellent sa classroom. Hindi lang dapat tayo excellent kapag may events sa organization. Hindi lang tayo excellent sa mga outputs, sa mga sinasabit sa professors. Because on those ordinary days na wala pong nakatingin sa inyo o wala yung mga professors, walang nag-grade sa inyo, those are the days that shape life champions. To be a life champion is more than being excellent. It is to be relevant. When the world tells you to compete, choose to collaborate. When others seek power, choose purpose. When others chase success, choose significance. I believe today, your education is not just preparing you to make a living. Noon po before, I was also constantly chasing for various achievements, for success. Pero nung na-reach ko po yung milestone of success, I asked myself, is excellence really relevant? How is my excellence relevant to my community? So that is why today, you are being prepared to make a difference. What is excellence if you're not able to make a difference? What is excellence if your excellence is not significant? Let your excellence be loud enough to challenge apathy and bold enough to ignite action to your fellow students. The world doesn't need bright minds. it needs brave hearts. I give you something to remember today. Be a champion for life. L-I-F-E. Let it stand for letter L. Lead with integrity. Hindi po tayo lahat dito officers ng UBOs, ng CBOs, ng CSCs, or USCs, or even the classroom. But you are a leader in your own right. Leader for your decisions, leader for your actions, and leaders for your own behaviors. So lead with integrity. I inspire genuinely. Kailangan makikipagkapwa tayo, makikipag-usap tayo sa mga estudyante, maging leader ka man o hindi, maging awardee ka man o hindi, but you have the capability to inspire. F, fight for what is right. And letter E, empower others. And that is how you become a life champion. Because whether you're in your class, or in your community, or in the activity of your college, or soon enough in your career, be a champion for life. Because what this university and this country needs are not just scholars with skills, but leaders with soul. Lift others as you climb, and never forget the title of Life Champion is not given on Recognition Day. Hindi po yan nabibigay today. It is earned araw-araw with service, sacrifice, and sincerity. To all the awardees, ayan, and also to all our loving parents na nandito po ngayon, the real test actually begins after this recognition, after the applause fades. Because your medals will shine less brightly over time, but the values you uphold will always empower you. And to those who did not make it today, probably nanonood po kayo ng live stream natin, you are still being called to rise. That dream is still alive, and you are still in the fight. Lahat po kayo are builders of the future. Ngayon po na nasa National Youth Commission na ako, kaisa na po ako ng pamahalaan in championing and advocating for the welfare and empowerment of the Filipino youth. Because you are solution bringers, change makers, and light bearers. So be brave, be kind, and be loud for what matters. As I continue my journey in public service as a youth development worker sa National Youth Commission, and now will pursue a degree at the UP Diliman under the Master of Community Development Program. Dala-dala ko po lahat ng mga pinabaon sa akin ng buong university. It's 4 pillars with pride. Scholarship, leadership, ano yung isa? Service and character. So ngayon po, sa 4-year stay natin, hindi po yan pillars na tinitingnan lang natin sa BU main campus. These are pillars na dapat isinasa puso at isinasa kaluluwa po natin. We will always be a BUEño come what may. And I believe, just as my alma mater, this was the ground, kagaya po ninyo na nakaupo ngayon, this was the ground where my roots grew deep and my wings learned to fly. And I would advise you, habang first year, taas pa yung mga first years na nandito, second years. Ba't nahiya? Ayan. Second years. Third years. Ayan. I advise you, habang may time pa, to seek for mentors. To seek for someone who will guide you, someone who will nurture you, someone who will advise you. Hindi po ako mapupunta dito sa unahan nito kung wala po ang mga mentors ko. Sila Benji Nebres, to my professors at the Political Science Department, to Ma'am Jaslyn Imperial, to my former CBO and UBO advisors, they all have contributed and shaped me to the individual I am today. So kung wala pa tayong mentors, please seek your mentors who will guide you, nurture you, and inspire you. Someone who will say something na mag-i-inspire sa'yo, nag-motivate sa inyo, and someone you will look up to. Dahil dala-dala niyo po palagi ang advice ng mga mentors ninyo sa inyo. At sana po, ngayong academic year, PL po kayo ngayon or awardee po kayo ngayon sa GAWAD BUEño. Sana next year, awardee pa rin po kayo. Pero sana po, iba na po yung purpose natin. of being a president's lister, a dean's lister, or an awardee. Sana po sa speech na to, ma-redirect yung value ng recognition na to sa inyo. That this is not just about chasing success or accomplishments in terms of academic excellence, but excellence with significance. What's the significance of me being a PL or President's Lister? What's the significance of me being a student leader or an awardee of GAWAD BUEño? Simula din po, first year po ako, lagi na po ako nasa GAWAD BUEño. 4 na beses rin po ako nasa GAWAD BUEño. First year as outstanding university student and scholarship with the highest GWA sa buong university. And then consequently, spoke sa GAWAD BUEño twice, pero online. Kaya I'm really honored na ngayon finally, face-to-face, I'm speaking in front of you sa isa GAWAD BUEño as your guest of honor. Kaya po sana next year, kung awardee pa ulit kayo, I challenge you please. Sana may nagawa kayo something nakakaiba about your excellence or being awarded here. Makikita kayo ng mga fellow students nyo, papasok kayo sa classroom, makikita kayo ng fellow students, may pin siya ng President's Lister. Pero sana ang maging maisip nila sa inyo, kung nakita nila yon, hindi lang to PL dahil matalino to. Hindi lang to PL dahil top 1 or award dito sa college nila. Or dahil, o kaya dahil PL to dahil matalino siya, nagsipag siya. Sana pag naisip ng mga kaklase ninyo or ng mga ibang estudyante sa college ninyo, PL to kasi ginamit niya yung talino niya, yung sipag niya sa pagsilbi sa kapwa niya estudyante. Siguro kaya PL to or outstanding student to. Kasi may value at significant yung pagiging excellent niya sa kanyang student community and to the entire Bicol University. Again, don't strive for excellence, not only excellence, but strive for significance. Ano ang halaga ko? Ano ang ambag ko? Ano ang halaga ng award na to kung hindi ko kayang patunayan na ang importansya nito to my community? Do not chase dreams, build legacies. And when the time comes, be the champion, not just of your life, but of others, for your communities, for the generations yet to come. I had my own fair share of personal struggles. Hindi po ako outstanding graduate lang in an instant. Hindi rin ako outstanding student leader of the Philippines in an instant. Dumaan din po ako sa butas ng karayom. For sure, many of you also struggles for the same thing. Pero lahat po tayo nandito ngayon, and even sa mga nanonood ng live stream, nanonood tayo at nandito tayo ngayon because we all stood for something. We all fought for something. And again, this is not just a celebration, but also to commemorate your excellence and knowing your significance. Kaya po, always remember as I end my speech, sana po, tumatak po ang mensahe ko sa inyo. Your brilliance is not about how high you rise, but in how many rise because you did. Hindi po rise na kanin na. Rise na umangat tayo. Right? Rise na umangat tayo sa sarili nating pagsisikap. Pero sa pag-angat natin, marami rin bang umangat? Marami rin bang na-inspire para umangat din sila sa buhay o sa katayuan nila? Marami rin bang umangat because umangat tayo? So ganun po ang ibig sabihin nun. Making our excellence significant to our community and to others. Ang pag-angat ba natin ay mag-isa lang? Ang pag-achieve ba natin ng success na to is driven by how we also contributed to our community and society. So finally, I want you all to be the champion, the kind of champion whose legacy is not just written in medals or pins, but in the lives changed because you chose to lead with heart, to serve with soul, and to lead and to live with purpose. Finally, I want you all, habang pagdating natin and towards higher year levels, pagdating sa second year, third year, or fourth years, we all want change in the university and in our society. And it all starts by valuing your excellence with significance. So be the change you want to see in the world. Once again, I am Sydney Joseph L. Torrenueva, your forever most outstanding university student in 2021 and outstanding university graduate 2022. Diyos mabalas po sa Indogabos. Maraming salamat once again for this opportunity for always sa Bicol University. Embody natin ang 4 pillars: scholarship, leadership, character, and service. Maraming salamat po, kapwa BUEños.
Thank you, Mr. Torrenueva, for your inspiring message. And of course, for challenging our honorees. The best gifts you have given our learners today are the insights and lesson you imparted, of course. During your learning episodes back then, these things will surely be etched into their mind. So we are in high spirits that they will carry with them these things as they endeavor on the bigger ones. And yes, Ma'am Pres?
At this juncture, dear friends, we will proceed with the awarding and distribution of certificates to the President's Lister for the second semester of academic year 2024 to 2025. To award, may we invite the acting OSASDIC, Professor Jocelyn T. Imperial, to be assisted by Dr. Salvacion Villafuerte, Ma'am Rosario Chattle-Free, and of course, by our esteemed guest speaker, Mr. Sidney Torrenueva.
Before we proceed with the actual awarding, these will be the order of the awarding. We will begin this with the College of Dental Medicine, followed by the BU IDEA, JMRI-GD, BU GAWAD, BUSIT, BUSE, College of Engineering, the College of Science, BU Ginobatan, BU Pulangi, BU Tabaco, the College of Arts and Letters, the College of Nursing, BU CSSP, IPSR. We also have the College of Business Economics and Management.
The names of the President's Listers will be read by their respective College Students Affairs and Services Coordinator.
Let's begin. The President's List for second semester academic year 2024-2025 is awarded to Friel Javen M. Del Castillo from the
Okay. For the College of Dental Medicine, Frail Javen M. Del Castillo.
Thank you so much, Doc. All right, so we'll proceed with the Institute of Design and Architecture.
Jose
The Bicol University Institute of Design and Architecture, President's Lister for second semester, school year 2024-2025. Josie Marie V. Sobredilla.
Christian Faye R. Sereno.
Kathleen Diane M. Andes.
We will be proceeding with the awarding to the JMRI-GD.
April P. Lazona.
Milka D. Destacamento.
Joffrey Nicolas M. Opeña.
Arian Luis Gonzalez.
Joffrey Nicolas M. Opeña. Michelle Rodenas. Congratulations.
Ladies and gentlemen, the list of president listers for second semester academic year 2024 to 2025 of Bicol University, Gubat Campus, Gubat, Sorsogon.
Rowella Jane G. Barbecho.
Clay Andrian S. Acerdano.
Nadesa Maria G. Gando.
Angeline Ereño.
Clarence E. Belmonte.
Mark L. Franchal.
Zaira D. Rabino.
And Miss Jasril E. Espantalion. Congratulations.
President's listers from the College of Industrial Technology. John Lynn A. Del Rosario.
Paula K. B. Pineda.
Pearl Isabel N. Velez.
Ares Carl A. Icardo.
Joshua A. Balmedina.
Matt Lindon N. Escoton.
Clint Ian A. Quitason.
Rica L. Batalla.
We also have Manuel L. Nas Jr.
Rica L. Batalla. Janine L. Madridano. We'll now proceed with the College of Education.
We have Shanti May O. Bermas.
Alexandra Gail M. Mesias.
Hazel Ann Merandilla.
Mitch Gabriel P. Santos.
Eileen Brezuela.
Jacob Aman N. Hobeliana.
Francis Ivan D. Frevaldo.
Babe Gonzalez.
We also have Renz S. Capus.
Arwina Luis R. Benosa.
Sethandra Althea T. Onrubia.
Joseph C. Verano Jr.
Kimberly Suzanne H. Noble.
We have Angelo B. Socobos.
The President's Lister for the College of Engineering, Samantha May Lagahi,
Trisha S. Beluwang.
Paul Vincent Moises,
Francis Joseph B. Bombita.
Jendel K. S. Balucio,
Janil G. Luzeriaga.
Jedrick Colico,
Regine L. Jebulan.
Jasmine Cias,
Jude Ezra N. Bazarte.
John Mark Dolot, Danilyn Asilo,
Aljon Kenneth N. Bautista.
Angelo Balderrama,
Kimberly A. G. Lagrimas.
The President's Listers from the College of Science. Jude Martin M. Velasco.
Kizia Lian Kale A. Borrero.
Shaira B. Vallejo.
Faith Joy R. Nicosa.
Angie R. Dimabaya.
Jude A. Toledo.
Alessandra P. Prades.
Krisha Angela B. Cosa.
John Chembre B. Reyes.
Hannah Loida Cilianeta.
Benedict Gabriel R. Rabe.
Downfor Ian B. Atondo. Mark Cherry B. Sava.
Jerome B. Lolong.
Glance McChaff B. Asuncion.
Jason P. Buenos Aires.
Rajveer S. Singh.
Aaron Alexander Beard. Jenny B. Barbacena.
Tomar Amiel D. Brutas.
Anton Zark N. Mazo.
Kyle Darren D. Laguerta. Your Mark P. Suhian. John Luis F. Escalante. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Iya Valerie R. Relumen.
Jerby Josh L. Saulol.
Joseph Elisha B. Arevalo.
Roy C. Villanueva.
Marlon B. Vivar.
Maria Nica M. Realosa.
Jobert A. Orbigo.
Jolina P. Oliorza.
Mary Rose N. Ocampo.
Jameson N. Morillo.
Christian L. Montiveros.
Daniela Jane D. Dayaw.
Evelyn May Zay Copia.
Kyle Judah T. Sea.
John Paul M. Katubig.
Jonah May O. Casquejo.
Mark J. T. Bugayon.
John Paul Q. Balingasa.
Jaina B. Atun.
Adrian Jake M. Ansano.
Mayjoy O. Takil.
Edsel B. Rance.
Justin L. Pornilosa.
Ulysses Andre C. Pahara.
And Angeli M. Nebres. Congratulations.
President's Lister for the second semester 2024-2025 from BU Pulangi. Janet L. Realubit.
Sophia May Alodia J. Balmaceda.
John Marl Mayer.
Joshua Cedric P. Venetario.
Ivy Angel Hidalgo.
Kian Carlo O. Matutina.
Hafsa A. Tuzon.
Nadel B. Volante.
Eric Richard R. Ropan.
James P. Espinosa.
Dwayne Lester Diaz.
Ken N. Manangat. Ken N. Manangat.
Hazel Ann Obedece.
J. Lloyd G. Chicogo.
Paulina de la Cruz.
Henrich Emer T. Bilista.
Francesca Faith Batalya.
Charlene May T. Adelie.
Christine Misolanya.
John Carlo R. Buse.
Ella Marie Portuzuela.
Charlene B. Reforzado.
Sir Jane Francine Roberto.
Marian K. O. Saison.
Adrian Pialago.
Jose Elijah H. Cabarle.
Cheska Fabro.
Jude Emil B. Almonte. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
President Listers from Bicol University, Tabaco.
Christian Jess Almonte.
Rowena B. Belga.
Christine Barizo.
Maria Ashley B. Cabahar.
Clarence Banyares.
Shira May R. Mayor.
Mark Hill Palacios.
Marie Danielle D. Suarez.
Harriet Jane Beguino.
Maria Cristina M. Cano.
Jeremy Jose Molina.
Erica May B. Topia.
Nicole Franz Dolz.
Ashley Nicole B. Bobier.
Pauline Adornado.
Cleo Marie T. Bongalon.
Jericho Bornelia.
James Limuel B. Barroso.
Gian Terry Hernandez.
Shelea Patrice S. Barella.
Vanna Francesca Basalyote.
Jerlene B. Carilo.
Angelica Pantua.
Ivan Carl C. Sawela.
Edward Seed.
Karen May B. Malabanan.
Ashifra Custodio.
Cherie May B. Bendanya.
Mark John Hermosa.
Nicole A. Santiago.
Rauki Yang Yap.
Danica May C. Bragaze.
CJ Consuelo.
Micah B. Mabini.
Valerie Hart Gomez.
Maria Linel Q. Celso.
Leia Barameda.
Maria Krisha Rene A. Burse.
Catherine Casaul.
Quinley B. Aperin.
Cora Mona Joaquin.
Jamela D. Angorin.
Kyle Miko Bonaobra.
Jamel B. Fernandez. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
The President's Listers from the College of Arts and Letters. Trisha Faye L. Domitita.
Shaala L. Habituela.
Faye F. Praga.
Joshua A. Orante.
Patricia Simone A. Guevara.
Christine Joyce O. Cordovilla.
Jonah Faye R. Magno.
Chelsea Marie B. Gaspacho.
Reynard S. Balonzo.
Sean Alain C. Vidal.
Alexis Irene H. Lipiao.
Robin Dominic E. Villamor.
Andre Martin J. Nunez.
Nili Jean B. Lerio.
Kiza Triñanes.
Yu Indigo S. Cipre.
Japat B. Flores.
Leanne Adriana G. Aguilar.
Christine Kyle C. Ebonia.
Ruel F. Queres Jr.
Liana D. Famarin.
Prince Kayan E. Moresca.
Ariela May A. Brimon.
Paulo Hendris A. Benitez.
Danica Franz C. Bardon.
Mark P. Pranis.
Laika Trisha Alexandra Manalo.
Jed Elaine O. Apuli.
Catherine B. De La Cruz.
Mijay Nicole B. Ubaldo.
Elisa B. Ray.
Sofia Marie L. Prado.
Mary Von G. Carbonilla.
Angelina L. Guadayo.
Hart K. Galiofin.
Amanda Yvette T. Lacerna.
Francine B. Evangelista.
Pia Aura S. Arid.
Anika V. Pahemolin.
Fatima S. Bandin.
Princess Arian Joy M. Ate.
Maria Glena L. Loja.
Mary Jane May A. Daluro.
Shane N. Azupardo.
Stephanie N. Naive.
Janelle B. Sapsal.
Bea Lu Pineda.
Jolian V. Lirazan.
Veronica Dexisne.
May Kyla P. Armenta. Congratulations.
Thank you very much and congratulations, College of Arts and Letters.
We will now proceed with the awarding to the students of the College of Nursing. The President's List for the second semester of 2024-2025.
Kyla Kathleen N. Caparos.
Tristan J. C. Cerneches.
Roshana G. Bofete.
Angel Faith L. Dineros.
Althea Marie B. Pino.
Jaika Nicole B. De Leon.
Felix John B. Porquia.
Anika Liza V. Sale.
Queen Athea L. Barameda.
Samantha Pauline Angela S. Antes.
Jonica Ella L. De Leomas.
Stella Marie Francine A. Orsena.
Margaret Megan R. Esplago.
Eliza Janea D. Martinez.
Micaela S. Samson.
Don B. Distrito.
Krisha C. Lozano.
Donna B. Acuña.
Armela R. Persia.
Maria Micaela Romel A. Vicuña.
Paul Wesley L. Celes,
Quenny Elaine B. Madrinian.
Gian Marie P. Mata,
Genesis Rose G. Hernandez.
Nika May L. Malaluan,
Naomi Azra J. Baluyo.
Gabrielle Antoinette B. Avellana,
Rodena Ruth B. Carinan.
Adrian G. Bragais,
Mark Anthony H. Bagon.
Chris Dominic L. Lagilias,
Sofia Natalie B. Santa Isabel.
Catharina E. Calvelo,
John Hannah Victoria B. Di Maano.
Michael Urshin O. Garcia,
Rica Hyacinth L. Pante.
Shini Elis Sweet C. Fuentebella,
Julian Marie S. Baay.
Axel Lander M. Coloma,
Irish Chanel M. Ombao.
Karim J. P. Pardeñas,
Gladys Grace P. Pedragosa.
Jasmine Dayan R. Young,
Christine Ardet B. Arizapa.
Aliyah Kim S. Baltar,
Joshua Pauline Hugo.
Steve L. Malyapre,
Claire Shane L. Montiveros.
Jensel C. Ramos,
Kate Jasmine V. Robrigado.
Yana Angelica F. Amigo,
Joshua S. Constantino.
Shikina Erin M. Rialubi,
Danvid R. Banda.
Carl Joseph F. Latonero,
Shelo Rica Elario.
Faith A. Otto,
Jillian Kirsten P. Diaz. Congratulations to the College of Nursing Learners. We will now proceed with the College of Social Sciences and Philosophy.
Yesha Marie N. Tolosa,
Kimberly S. Buen,
Althea Luigil B. Penazo,
Faith Ezra B. Botor,
Aimee N. Anastasio,
Faith Angela M. Banastaw,
Hannah R. Regaya,
Leah Payne P. Avila,
Precious Hazel A. Nang,
Claire L. Principe,
Ashley Bernadette G. Belieza,
Angel Joy E. Luzano,
Nicole B. Barbastro,
Eugenio Alessandro M. Inciso,
Angela Seneth V. Vitalicio,
Shane Raldine D. Lescano,
Luke Kin M. Lana,
April Lynn M. Fedrajeta,
Nicole H. Pastor,
Lay Trisha P. Payet,
Julian Angela Dae,
Trisha May D. Mendez,
Kara S. Corar, Kim A. Carezo,
Ben Cyrus B. Barcela,
Joven L. Vivar,
Mark Lawrence C. Muhar,
Zarina Marie M. Gonzalez,
Dayan Camille Toledo,
Sofia A. Castelo,
Lorraine Ann M. Esguerra,
Mex Ivy O. Navera,
John Junel A. Bonsotti,
Neil C. Olea,
Chid Omer O. Galvez,
Christine Jane B. Viajefor,
Tristan E. Magistrado,
Glazel A. Matamorosa,
Jennifer C. Forte,
Alia Ainsley G. Regalado,
Queen Ria O. Ambrona,
Enrico Luke D. Duazo,
Jose Marcos G. Labalan,
Sandro P. Abunda Jr.,
Kurt Raven D. Carpio,
Nico S. Yanzon,
Jake M. Azores,
Maria Trisha Angela Mazo,
Bea D. Ponigal,
Julia Adriana G. Mayor, Mercy Ray M. Hernandez,
Andrew Lawrence R. Gonzalez,
Chrisdale S. Hakoub,
Shalette Havelaine B. Bendicio,
Maria Leia M. Barcelona,
Faye Alexandra B. Batalla,
Kim Norbert Clemacosa,
Joanna Christine S. Lesava,
Clint Jean B. Bertume,
Rochelle Nicole S. Cos, Marie Lalaine B. Acabado, and Dean S. Burham. Congratulations.
Requesting the other CSAS, those who have already awarded their learners are being requested to be on stage.
President's Lister for
Sir Moy.
President's Lister for second semester Institute of Physical Education, Sports and Recreation. Ella May Malasa, Joel H. De La Torre Jr., Wilner P. Hakar Jr., Liza Joy C. Daser, and Sharina Hasmin B. Ortega. Julius O. Morada, Vincel E. Aton, Dominic B. Baclao, Heidi B. Bongcalos, Carlo Caparino, Jerlyn H. N. Herrera, John Ray L. Lianto, Alfred Mariñez, Francis Cedric A. Martinez, Jomar J. Osera, Daniel B. Osero, John Kirby M. Alemania, Joselito L. Ansos Jr., Kenneth Angelo M. Dimatilio, Chloe Marie A. Gracia, Harold F. Lim, IBM Manrique, Mariel L. Obing, Joshua A. Remolar, John Luis M. Velasco, Mark Paul Astillero, Shirley A. Llamelo, Maybe V. Madridano, Daniel Ira M. Monsalve, Franklin L. Nas, Mark R. Nunez, Nicole Ann B. Boronia, Hill N. Billones Jr., Francine D. Diona, Jessamine L. Herrera, Carlos Rangel, J.R.M. Bigtas,
Requesting all the students to go back to their seat, please. Those who are roaming around.
Zaisel N. C. Cas, Oliver B. Santillan, J. O. Bosquillos, Relja May Neptuno, Marimar O. Pasion, Sandara Mapa, Nico M. Malto, Yaspi A. Collera, Julian R. Opeda, Patricia May E. Dalde, John Paul E. Llaneta, Andre Roslyn C. Ramirez, C. Shame Santillan, Maynard A. Alamo, Yuri Akira Ivy Oronya, Shania Marjon May Sedicos, Jules Kevin C. Espinar, Gerald Grona, Benetton S. Mooney, Nasrin May G. Navarro, Michael M. Pimentel, Kukilien A. Baluloy, Joshua R. Cardino, and Angel Jean M. Enriquez. Orly M. Gutierrez, Adrian Roy N. Lisay, Brian A. Magracia, Sheila Marie Mangampo, Jericho M. Medjabilio, Angie M. Napay, Diesel A. Roque, Kyle C. Belga, John Andre P. Bahamundi, Junel A. Benedito, Roland B. Mandresa, Jen Benedict Dado, Jumel M. Mateo, Japet V. Rebotica, Justin Clyde Juquino, Mary Joy J. Leron, Gilbert M. Lonas, Cheska Marie A. Lagman, John Michael S. Marquez. Joshua P. Pitero, Michael Angelo I. Reyes, Jansel A. Abad, Al Angelo Alsaga, and Charles Sedfrey A. Dutz.
College of Business, Economics, and Management, Zora May L. Plantado,
Shamil O. Gomez,
Darlene Angel B. Belangen,
Charny L. Buena,
Lou H. Uy,
Karil Suzanne R. Acabado,
Yuwin K. T. Mohan,
Jamie G. Nostratis,
Micaela D. Retuya,
Aliana Andrea M. Lacamiento,
Nika M. Morga,
Shane Evan B. Panit,
Sofia Natalie Angel Z. Manlapas,
Mariel Tony R. Maranya,
Bien May Eliza R. Santo Domingo,
James Harold L. Mercado,
Jessa May L. Sardenya,
Erica Crisel T. Esperas,
Cassandra B. Balya,
Marigel Rosel G. Buena,
Christine Mary L. Ragos,
Alea Faith L. Sedan,
Joanna Beth P. Garcia,
Sofia Joy C. Lawenco,
Myra B. Domdom,
Nandrien D. Faraon,
Tiffany Charmel C. Pilon,
Jessamine Chloe S. Delphine,
Loie P. Bien,
Sophia Simone N. Aquino,
John Ivan A. Razonable,
Maria Venice F. Reyes,
Chris Evan V. Rotamola,
Ray Cedric B. Berza,
Maria Estela A. Cadag,
Alisa Ashley A. Had,
Clarence Jos E. Coral,
Diana N. Recan,
Winsley Sidney Q. Jose,
Adeline Nacor,
Stephanie Joanne C. Bonacqua,
Anika A. Valenzuela,
Joanne Riumay B. Seya,
Sofia Nicole N. Madrona,
Eugene A. Abiñon,
Mia Cristela V. Mendoza,
Dave Wesley N. Mostoles,
Kisi A. Marcera,
Shin Laika I. Cabiles,
Hanilen R. Alcantara,
Luella May M. Apion,
Delphine Jeremy D. Narito,
Hyacinth B. Cabiles,
Maria Daniela L. Amamio,
Edmond P. Vista,
Hazel Raquel M. Bonob, Ayesha May R. Uy,
Rafael Pajares,
Micaela Hazelit N. San Juan,
Angelica V. Fulgar,
Riza May M. Banayo,
Bernadette C. Cater,
Derek J. E. Almocera,
Faith Margaret C. Bragais,
Lorlene S. Palencia,
Aris Michelle E. Matias,
Jonel D. Lopera,
Stephanie C. Marinay,
Venus A. Miranda,
Andrea Nicole B. Delorino,
Roberto L. Madea Jr.,
Eunice Joyce S. Llorando,
John Drazel B. Celso,
Gabriel M. Arimbay,
Mark Frederick N. Nashansen,
Dandy C. Morillo,
Zia Natalie A. Bore,
MJD Dolosa,
Carl Jovel T. Matosinos,
Rhea C. Mendoza,
Jeremy Miles A. Colliera,
Hilary Kate L. Baldivino,
Trish Joy A. Mabilin,
Erica B. Rodriguez,
Richmond R. Barrion,
Adrian R. Rosales,
K. M. Boras,
Jeffrey A. Mosatalia,
Christine Andre B. Gonzalez,
Jamaica M. Agnote,
Josue C. Letada Jr.,
Ray Vin C. Borser,
Irene Marikel Granatin,
Althea Shane L. Echaluce,
Marco Alexis G. Prando,
Mary Christine L. Carascal,
Nicole B. Apuli,
Liwi Francesca C. Apo,
Glomery Dayan G. Servan,
Eunice O. Oribiana,
Alicia Josel O. Ansen,
Angelica Shane S. Sabdao,
Nicola Marie J. Maravillas,
Alma R. Loreso,
Julian Catherine D. Albion.
and Christian O. Saligumba.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much and congratulations to those who received the President's List Award for the second semester of the academic year 2024-2025. And likewise, thank you very much to our CSASC who joined us here on stage. And also, once again, congratulations po sa lahat. At this point, let us take a brief rest. So this will be a moment for us to be entertained by none other than the Bicol University Choral. Let's give them a round of applause, please.
Thank you very much for that soothing performance by the BU Choral. How about our sounding applause for them? There you go. So to continue, we will be awarding certificates to the President's Lister for the first semester of academic year 2024 to 2025. To award, we invite the acting Osas Dean, Professor Jocelyn T. Imperial, to be assisted by Dr. Salvacion Villafuerte, Ma'am Rosario Freak, and our esteemed guest speaker, Mr. Sidney Terrenueva.
To start the President's Lister's awarding for the first semester of the academic year 2024-2025, we will begin with the College of Education, followed by the College of Industrial Technology, Ginubatan, Gubat, Seng, CSCN, CAL, IDEA, Polangi, Sibem, Tabaco, CSSP. This will be followed by, of course, we have here the IPESR, and we still have the last one. Of course, we have the IPSR. Without further ado, from the College of Education, Francis Ferhol A. Boras.
Also from the College of Education, Francis Andrew O. Revadavia.
From the College of Industrial Technology, Mark Justin M. Miras.
April Rose A. Nuelian.
KCO Espinosa. From BU Ginobatan, Andrea D. Olavere.
Arame O. Olequiano.
Mary Joy Y. Camba.
Iona Veronica P. Pareja.
From the BU Gubat, Liza D. Delfina.
Raya Nicole E. Fercol.
Markniel Angel Fogueras.
K.N. F. Hidea.
From the College of Engineering, again, congratulations to BU Gubat. To proceed, from the College of Engineering, Rodel Vincente Bragais Jr.
Eileen L. Flaviano.
John Ian Greg M. Gangawan.
Emmanuel A. Naive.
John Cesar H. Boras.
Ray J. Balderrama. John Angelo B. Lesaca.
From the College of Science, Rance Kirby G. Onia.
Ino E. Gabarda.
Aragorn O. Muncal.
Jordan V. Palma.
Malbert Q. Colarina.
Daniel Marie O. Rubis.
Mark James C. Bareda.
Junmar A. Perez.
May Ann B. Bonga. From the College of Nursing, Nike Ian N. Arepetindo.
Maxine Leila M. Coloma.
Razel Lu O. Abilgos.
Natalie Joy A. Alarcon.
Clarice C. Bragais.
Angelica O. Exconde.
Dave P. Breboneria.
Daniel Francis Ann F. Favor.
Ismael B. Bustamante III.
Anna Rose M. Alcantara.
Kim Jelian G. Dulva.
Maria Tamidin Dovili S. Bonavente.
From the College of Arts and Letters, Maria Bea Bambina C. Nunez,
Josan May F. Dano,
CJ M. Noyles,
Andrea Sherry S. Dalanon,
Nicole Chanda C. Olayaw,
Romulus Julius L. Peniela,
Chriselle Faith G. Bael,
Lara Jane P. Banzagale,
Princess Ira M. Frio,
Shaina May Zerano,
Jessica Klein T. Martinez,
Hazel A. Celestial,
Jessica C. Bueza,
Gerardine Mahela P. Arsiga,
Jessica C. Bueza. We also have John Ryan M. Burse, John Ryan M. Burse,
Alexa S. Urbania,
Angeline E. Cobilla,
Janella May M. Varera,
Erica Joy M. Baliguat,
Christine R. Sinier,
Sara Luis A. Guarinia,
Kyla G. De Vera,
Irish Claire C. Solomon,
Denise Shane C. Boneo,
John Jasper L. Mallorca,
Maria Sofia M. Lofamia,
Julius Sanes C. Bungadillo,
Fretch R. Francisco,
Raymond Paul V. Pola, from the Institute of Design and Architecture, Raymond Paul V. Pula,
Nino Hoco Orven N. Luansing,
Moana Almarie D. Grajeda,
John Carl Briones,
Paula Andrea S. Alemania,
Mark Jasper Estrelon,
James Earl B. Lubete,
Glyza Marie P. Masbate,
John Lawrence S. Viescas,
Rafaela B. Berses,
Arnjon L. Paloma,
Ashley Marion E. Nas,
Nicaela S. De Feo,
Reggie R. Rimonte,
Mary Doreen F. Romualdo,
Christian A. Mendones,
Maria Lori Ben B. Balingbing,
John Alfred C. Salarson,
Emilio O. De Luna,
Justin N. Bonto,
John Kenneth R. Opida,
Reina Elaine M. Imperial,
Sofia Jamie T. Figueras,
Neil Paulo Puerto,
from the from the BU Pulangi rather,
we also have from BU Idea, Ann Crizea M. De La Rosa, John Eric Dichoso, and Eliza Joy Dae.
from BU Pulangi once more, Glessy Kate B. Barbastro,
Gabriel O. Robregado,
Venus A. Miranda,
J. Emmanuel Riversado,
Lian Jane A. Leron,
Lawrence S. Aguilar,
Lauren J. N. Miraran,
Diane Rose Lostado,
Giancarlo G. Embate,
Tristan Joseph Lorera,
Jean Paul S. Abion,
John Vincent A. Martinez,
Haji A. Talagtag,
Ace Isaiah B. Pailon,
Pamela Shane B. Mitra,
Luis James O. Mangampo,
John Raven M. Latosa,
Glory Ann Marie Ordoña,
Darwin P. Fernandez,
Mark Vincent S. Cardinal,
Sherwin Gilbert B. Bolaños,
Daniel A. Benitez,
Anjo B. Baraquiel,
Mariel Palermo,
Michelle O. Publico,
Jesuer N. Bogate,
Vonnie V. Triñanes,
Jericho O. Rentosa,
Ray Mark N. Dagastas,
Effie Shane H. Balaguer, Iron B. Barterecha,
Christian Bob B. Liacer,
Sherilyn P. Bordos,
John Edward Julianda,
Jasmine Alexa C. Torrente,
Kirby O. Cope,
Isabella A. Nunez,
Matthew R. Cedro,
Jenica C. Sabido,
Ronnie Obambe,
Cyrus Carl R. Odonio, Maria Antoinette R. Reario,
Charmaine D. Ricafarante, Menzi C. Casais, and Nikki Angeli B. Nebres. To proceed, we will be calling the College of Business Economics and Management.
Dana Earl R. David,
Micah Ella Marie C. Villanueva,
Jacob M. Hakub,
Jennifer L. Mandia,
Eliza Jean A. Lascano,
Samuel G. Gaa,
Rachel Ann D. Julata,
Pocholo Keith D. Atendido,
Aliyah Maxine Boncoden,
Chadwick B. Bueno,
Meljorie Faye H. Lucido,
David Renes A. Di Maano,
Ayla B. Bermas,
Marian Janelle G. Ursal,
Antoinette B. Patolot,
Juliet Nicole M. Danao,
John Lloyd U. Balingasa,
Eliza M. Soreda,
Elise Margaret S. Resurrection,
Samara Francesca G. Kililan,
Ron Vincent B. Hubilia,
Maria Angelica R. Apuli,
Adeline N. Magana,
Maria Audrey L. Arias,
Rustum M. Muni II,
Christine A. Cortez,
Kyla R. Toledo,
Izel Shien A. D. Asis,
Algene P. Delgado,
Shane D. Erestingcol,
Annalyn M. Merandilla,
Danleo V. Marigondon,
Ellen B. Nabata,
Yen L. Lopez,
Aliyah Jules P. Carulo,
Rachel Ann L. Mandane,
Diane Zane G. Suleiman,
Alexi Phoebe L. Moral,
Rhea May M. Golondrina,
Rachel Ann P. Belen,
Marvin Clee D. Magdalita,
Rebecca K. M. Agnote,
Kersha May M. C.
Cyril E. Loria,
Jackie T. Algarne,
Patrick Christopher S. Espiritu,
Ashley May B. Nebres,
Christina Angelica M. Yanderal, Ciro Dominic B. Ligaspi,
Stephen Roland H. Rebustilio,
John Andre Bisco,
Mary Grace N. Bronjal,
Ella Marie L. Malorca,
Princess Joy O. Alip,
Laika Ashley V. Lanusa,
Jego C. Moneda,
Diana Elizabeth Enieva,
Samantha M. Boras,
James M. Soreda,
Emil L. Barameda,
Andrea V. Llaguno,
Diana Rose B. Azares,
Marinel L. Caranqueja,
Brian James B. Colina,
Allen Romel and Sumido,
Daniela S. Granadillos,
Kate Joan Marie Sean B. Dakara,
Riza May Thresha B. Incisa,
Janelu M. Kalunod,
Anel C. Victor,
Ira May G. Riadin,
Riza O. Bertiz,
Nico D. Asparago,
Rhea May L. Llanera,
Denise L. Apuli,
Nina Angela A. Banyes,
Hanilin L. Lumanglas,
Fatima M. Manzanillo,
Alea A. Oruga,
Shirley Ann B. Labo,
Cassandra Kate Zorbano,
Jelu May H. Borneo, Jazan B. Azurpado,
Claire N. Salian,
Aster Lay N. Ruda,
Maria Anilin H. Aslier,
Kimberly O. Panen,
Adrian N. Vergara,
Juliana Fiona B. Kipit,
Abigail G. Ardales,
Kizzy Jane A. Raimundo,
Alvin M. Brioso.
Laratricia Nana C. Mesa,
Proceeding to BU Tabaco, K. Isabel C. Baraquiel,
Nelly R. Brito,
James Carlo B. Basmayor,
Kathleen May B. Bracelo,
Jofel D. Bea,
Roel B. Canonce,
Felicity D. Avila,
Sheena May B. Nadu,
Angeline G. Bongalon,
Zen C. Barameda,
Maria Queen Agori B. Aringo,
Jasmine B. Shokson,
Patricia C. Capino,
Shania Luis B. Lunas,
John Merwin P. Holaso,
Karen B. Lagrama,
EJ Bendicio,
Medel B. Canyo,
Jomar B. Bihino,
Emil C. Camo,
Jason J. Abinias,
Frolalyn B. Bodozo,
Carlo B. Bobis,
Eric C. Canyon,
Mark Daniel M. Morota,
Ryan Kim Q. Banyal,
Caitlin L. Conde,
Julius B. Bombales,
Lawrence K. Claudio,
Vincent Esmabe,
Leia B. Ante,
Algie M. Benaflor,
Jovelyn Manite,
Aliza Grace T. Zapanta,
Angel R. Toscano,
Sherry Ann B. Dagsil,
Monica P. Berces,
Paul Vincent G. Sil,
Alexandra C. Solis,
Cyril Ann May I. Bonaobra,
Clarice B. Mangaring,
Christine May B. Bognalos,
Naomi D. Flores,
Maria Mila B. Bondad,
Ila Jodeline L. Borjal,
Julie Grace A. Calos,
Joanna Kylie B. Golinco,
Jasmine Olive L. Crizor,
Jerome Berania,
Joan B. Bringuela,
Jonaline A. Boncalos,
Leslie B. Borlagtan,
Jonna May F. Toca,
Erica May Bragais,
Mary Joy B. Berse,
Jane Marcia C. Belmonte,
Janelle May B. Imperial,
Patricia B. Cordinete,
Don Heno George B. Halalon,
Diana Rose I. Bilo,
Merla E. Bonavente,
Chelsea B. Buetizon,
Divina Amor A. Bio,
Ruby Joby B. Carulo,
Erica B. Broncante,
Jeneline B. Coral,
Sharin K. N. Pama,
Marinela B. Camo,
Catherine Joy C. Buensalida,
Mirosa Faith B. Buendia,
Margie B. Boncolmo,
Riza B. Broza,
Edlin B. Brasilia,
Mark Louis B. Salamor,
Janelle D. Vergara,
Lori B. Bruzula,
Faith T. Serrano, Nessie T. Benitez,
Lori Barro,
Rose Ann B. Campolio,
Ruby Joy C. Parias,
Chrislyn V. Buesing,
Clarice B. Canya,
Ramil Carl B. Binos,
Pamela B. Barazona,
Erica May G. Siervo,
Jana B. Buela,
Romela B. Bronyosa,
Angelica C. Shokson,
Maria Ara C. Condino,
Hernan James Banyas,
Phoebe Kate O. Enciso,
Jesse James B. Barlizo,
Benelin B. Behino,
Sally Marie E. Cas,
Carmela A. Bronsal,
Mika Ella B. Alonso,
Mary Rose S. Belir,
Marjorie C. Bobiles,
Emilu B. Sestina,
Mark Den M. Bueza,
Francis B. Bolaños,
Michael F. Colena,
Maria Isabel P. Bonagua,
Joyce A. Hesmundo,
Emmeline C. Bendal,
Lenny B. Cleo,
Maria Carla C. Corullo,
Jesse B. Broncano,
Sharina Joy C. Lodronio,
Arnel C. Curulo,
Ria C. Vargas,
Kate Fiona V. Belarente,
Veronica C. Caponga,
Angelica B. Rodriguez,
Maria Angela B. Distor,
Angelica C. Cabaez,
Janine May L. De Dios,
Rayalyn B. Batalier,
Jillian Nicole L. Jerus,
Jessica S. Bermas,
Gerald Cereza,
Timothy John S. Belen,
Jenny B. Bermas,
Mary Joan B. Belen,
Jasmine Nicole C. Martin,
Janet B. Bermas,
Gail Norin Silanon,
Anna Marie B. K.
Sofia C. Oco,
Joanne B. Buen,
Maria Lorraine B. Salazar,
Mar Andre B. Buencibilio,
Gil Junior B. Velestina II.
Benji A. Boncolmo,
Jessa B. Villas.
Vince Jeriel B. Burse,
Christian Joseph P. Trino.
Clarice B. Armando,
Sidney P. Buen.
Veronica Kyla R. Encinas,
Maria Paula C. Barbecho.
John Lloyd D. Buates. Prime Joshua Larede,
To proceed, let us call the names from the College of Social Sciences and Philosophy.
Congratulations, President's Listers. Now for the Bicol University College of Social Sciences and Philosophy, President's Listers for the first semester, school year 2024-2025, Jed B. Bareda, Giovanni V. Mendez, Ella May N. Masbate, Juliana Marie Cruz, Joshua B. Moscoso, Luis Brian O. Buiza, Jericho B. Lampago, Lauren Ira M. Lanon, Jeraine N. Rodriguez, Nikki B. Baria, Nika Hazel D. Naag, Alia E. Ortile, Giselle N. Salian, Alena Faith M. Nunez, and Leslie Ann A. Palias. Congratulations, President's Listers for first semester BUCSSP.
President's Lister for Institute of Physical Education, Sports and Recreation, Francis H. Abordo, Joanne Joy C. Diaz, Yvonne Francesca A. Monreal, Maria Sidney B. Balmas, Diana Faith B. Celiona, Sheridan Zay Hoshan Jr., Shekinah Ridge C. Rodriguez, congratulations.
Thank you very much once again to the CSASC and likewise the significant individuals who are here on stage with us. Mama, kindly take over muna. My never-ending congratulations to all of you for the job well done. Now that we have awarded a certificate to our achievers, the University Culture and Arts Coordinator, Professor Marklin Tejada, will give a closing remark. Sir?
To our dear guest speakers, Sidney Joseph L. Torrenueva, Bicol University officials, deans and directors, CSAC's advisors, faculty and staff, parents, honorees, ladies and gentlemen, and in between, a pleasant good afternoon. As we close this momentous celebration of excellence, passion, and purpose, our hearts are full of joy, pride, and most of all, gratitude. This celebration has not only honored our life champions and future-ready scholars, but also reminded us of the collective spirit that makes Bicol University a home of excellence and purpose. Allow me also to express our gratitude to all individuals who have extended a selfless service in making this event worthy and meaningful. To our esteemed university officials, faculty and staff, CSAC's advisors, thank you for your unwavering guidance and commitment and for being the pillars of this journey. Your unwavering support fuels the dreams we celebrate today. To the organizing committee headed by the acting dean of OSAS, Professor Jocelyn T. Imperial, technical working group, partners, collaborators, and every individual who have assisted us voluntarily, maraming salamat po. Behind every light cue and every prepared seat and every seamless segment of today's event was your hard work, sleepless nights, and wholehearted service. This success is as much yours as it is of our honorees. To the families, friends, and mentors of our honorees, thank you for being their quiet strength, their constant encouragement. You have played an invaluable role in shaping these champions of life and the future. And most especially to our awardees, congratulations once again. You have shown us what it means to live with purpose, to strive with excellence, and to lead with integrity. May you continue to carry the banner of Bicol University wherever you go, not just with pride, but with a heart committed to service and transformation. As of this moment, we do not just end a program. We light a path forward. May we walk away with renewed hearts, firmer purpose, and a deeper commitment to shaping lives, serving communities, and transforming the world. Mabuhay po ang Bicol University. Mabuhay kayong mga scholar ng bayan. Diyos mabalos.
Thank you very much, Professor Mark Tejada. Our afternoon ceremonies have concluded. We are grateful to have been part of your day in this GAWAD BUEño. This is Your Lady of Ceremony, Presa Capsa de Blois.
And this is Andre Ashley Aranya, your Master of Ceremonies. Now to close this segment, let us all stand for the singing of the BU hymn. And please remain in your seat after for the recessional.
This is the school we wish to sing, of a school to honor and revere, a temple built by man of firmness, a mold for you to walk with pride. For He will always be united, though we tread on distant lands. We all shall cherish what you've taught us, that you wholeheartedly gave forth. Bicol University, learning source of wisdom found. and courage, hope, seed of truth and light. People University, burning torch of wisdom, grounds of courage, hope, seed of truth and light.